I am back with another video. This time I'll be making basically the same game but with different costumes. Speaking of which, let's get rid of this one. Okay, so I already made this game before. I'm gonna import the bee I already had. The raindrop I already had, and in the last game I didn't have a flower, but I'm gonna add that because it just needs a little bit more complexity to it, because I already made this game before. I need to do something. I need to switch it up. Okay, well, the flower is refusing to get onto the screen, so let's just move. Oh, let's put it here. Let's get my own backdrop, which is this. I would like the bee to start in the center of the screen. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Let's go into the background. Also, I have a cold. I don't know if you noticed, but I do have a cold. Let's go into the background, and let's say when green flag clicked, broadcast run game. Okay, that way instead of using green flag we could use run game to program everything, because when green flag is clicked I don't want the game to start. I actually want it to go to like a home screen, and then when you click start on the home screen, then you go to the game, then you start running the game. So that's why I started that way. Okay, when I receive run game, go to X and Y, but X is gonna be 0, Y is gonna be -143. Nice, put it smack in the center. That's fine. Then we're gonna have to get it moving left and right. When I don't remember how I did this last time. This is gonna piss me off again. I almost forgot to do that. One needs to change X by 10, one needs to change X by -10. If the right arrow is clicked, then change X by 10. If the left arrow is clicked, change it by -10. And we're gonna do this forever. Works perfectly fine. If it is at 198, so if you're clicking the right key but the X position is equal to, or is it more than or less than? More than. It's more than. If X position is more than or equal to 190. Wait. If the right arrow is pressed and X position is more than or equal to 90, no, it's not more, it's less than. Let's do less than. Let's just do less than. So X position is less than 190. Then oh, we need an and. So if you're clicking the right arrow key and X position is less than 190, then don't go any further. Do not go any further. Listen to me, don't touch the edge. Let's run the game and let's. Perfect! If I put 195, does that break the code? Because it's so like far from the edge. Let's try. That's perfect, and I can still move to the left. So let's do the same thing but like opposite. Left arrow pressed and X position is more than -195. Goes left, it goes right, it doesn't touch the edge over here, it doesn't touch the edge over here. Everything is perfect. What's the next thing to do? I already got the B moving left and right. Don't pass the edge. I got that. Spawn the raindrops. Oh, we're onto the raindrops already. Pick a random spot. Why is that so big? It's literally the size of the bee. Anyways, we need to spawn it somewhere up here. Let's see how far it's off. Okay, right. So let's spawn it at 190. Thank you, God, for giving me the ability to build a game like this, or any game. Thank you for giving me the intelligence, the knowledge, and the understanding to be able to do something like this in my free time. I really greatly appreciate it. What was I doing again? The drops. 190. We're gonna stick it up somewhere, anywhere on the X-axis but 19. Okay, let's just code it. when I receive run game, create clone of myself. X position, let's do a random. Just pick a random number between 205. Okay, change Y by 10 forever. Is it 10 or negative 10? I think it's negative 10. That's too fast. Is it? Maybe not. Now we need to make it spawn multiple forever. Wait 1 second and then go. Why is it only over here? I'm gonna ask the clone to go to a specific. Alright, that's fine. I spawned them. They're not exactly spawning 3 at a time, but they're spawning. It is what it is. Now I need them to disappear when they touch the bee and when they touch the floor. If touching the bee, it has multiple costumes so that it like looks like it's dripping, which I'm so proud of. What are these names? No. Squish, splat, splash. Perfect. So when you're touching the bee, next costume, but you do that 1, 2, 3 times and then delete. If you're touching the bee or if you're like on the floor, then delete the clone. It might be doing too much if it. Wait, what? Stop. It's not there. It's negative 175. So if it's touching the floor, it doesn't get deleted. Alright, okay, now let's see. You could still kind of see the water splashing about too. That's kind of nice. Okay, so the raindrops are finished. What's the next thing? Spawn flowers. When I start as clone, go to back layer. When you start as clone, go to a random X position. Let's see if it works. I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, no, it's 5 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 5 seconds is already come and gone. Stop. Oh, I didn't show it. What's next? I've spawned up the flowers. Energy bar. Now I need the energy bar because when the bee goes onto the flower, it needs to like increase the energy bar. Do I have the energy bar here with me? Is the energy bar in the room with us? It's not. I need to go get that. Be right back. Quick voiceover time. This help bar was a lot of headache. I was trying to follow a tutorial from GriffPatch. I'll put the link down below. But essentially, the help bar was supposed to go down based on the help variable. But it was supposed to be like a smooth, easy transition. It was not easy. I tried to do calculations myself. Couldn't figure it out. Haven't been in a classroom in a few years. So I should have known that was beyond my scope. I called in some outside help. And then I got it done, but I had to change the way the help bar looked to get it working, which is not as impressive as the last one, but it's fine. But what's gonna happen now is the health is gonna go down the entire time. Flowers are gonna pop up and you're gonna need to refill your power, your health, by going onto the floor. And if that means risking getting wet, then you're gonna have to risk it. My audio for some reason was gone for these last few clips, so I'm gonna be doing a voiceover. As you can see, I edited the floor because the last one just wasn't doing it for me. Then I implemented the logic to make health go up when you're on the floor and health goes down when a raindrop touches you. I also implemented the score, so the score just goes up over time. The health bar also goes down over time. I also made the raindrops speed up over time. Then after that, I tried to do like a start screen with a start button. I did a game over for when the game was over, obviously. I'm not sure I like the logo, but it is what it is and it does what it does. Here's the final gameplay.